This is Mother's 90th birthday celebration, and we're very happy to be here. I'm Edith, the oldest daughter.
I'm Dick, her husband.
I'm Keith, her son.
And that's all of our family that's going to talk right now. We'll have Janet talk in just a minute with her family.
Hi, I'm Janet Black.
I'm Mark Black.
I'm Sarah Black. I'm Ryan Black. I'm 8. I'm 5.
You're 5. You going to school?
Quiet.
We're in Minneapolis, and Sarah is wearing the white dress that Grandma crocheted for me when I was 5, about Sarah's age. Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Many more. I'm Maxine Culbertson.
I'm Donald. Your son. She knows that, Maxine. Happy birthday, Mom.
Yeah, happy birthday. We
90.
love ya. We love you lots, Mom. You're a great lady.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I'm Denny, Don and Mac's boy. And I have with me today Linda
Hi, Grandma. Happy birthday.
and Noel
Hi, Grandma. I love you. Happy birthday.
and Tammy.
Happy birthday, Grandma. We love you.
We're still living in Iowa and came back for your 90th birthday party.
I'm supposed to introduce you?
Yeah, just say hi.
No, I'll say something and then I'll... You have it on me now?
Yep.
Hello, Grandma. You remember me, Bill Pettigrew? I still live in New Jersey. Remember you came out to New Jersey one time? I think it was on your, let's see. Must have been on your honeymoon. Remember that? I sure do. That must have been a great time. And this is Carol.
Hi, Grandma. Happy birthday.
Hi, Grandma. It's Debbie. Happy birthday. Sorry Vince couldn't come. He's home doing tax returns. We still live in Pennsylvania.
Hi, Grandma. I'm glad I could get away from school this weekend. Come say hi and happy birthday.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
This is Gretchen and Ballard. Hope you have a happy birthday.
This is Sharp.
Me or me, Betsy.
You don't know difference. I don't know how to explain it. You're supposed to talk to each other.
Put your arm around each other and act like you're having a tea. You act like you're strangers. You don't have to hold still. He has to hold still. Yeah, that's better. You want to hurt if I flash?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Hi, Grandma. This is Sharon, and we're here with our whole family. We're living in McMecken, West Virginia now.
And I'm the pastor of the McMecken Church of God.
This is Doug.
Hi, Grandma. This is Nathan. You can tell what grade you're in. I'm in the 8th grade. I'm sorry, I'm a junior in high school now, and working next week.
Oh, and Gretchen and Ballard are with us because we wanted to let you make the connection that Gretchen's our daughter and Ballard's our son-in-law. So we just let them back in with us even though they'd already taken one video. So this is our whole family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
I'm not gonna look at it, but you're gonna look at it. Let's take a picture together.
Just graduated. Take good care of it.
Any old way. You're doing all right.
Go back and sit on the phone. Come in and see you. And they line
I'm Connor Adams' grandma, married to your great-granddaughter Laura Lee, and this is her here. Happy birthday to you, and many more years to come, and many years of good health.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I'm Laura Lee. This is Chantel. This is your oldest great-granddaughter, and she's in the first grade.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I'm Kevin, and I don't know what else to say.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I'm your son-in-law, Bill Baker. Happy birthday, Grandma. God save you.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I'm Derek, and this is Darcy. She's 2. She'll be 3 in April.
Does that mean you're down here or what?
Now move so I can get
Okay, everybody move.
You want more than one? It's a red light blinking. Does that mean it's ready?
I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself? Hi, Carl.
Happy birthday, Mother.
Happy birthday.
Want to say who you are and where you're from and all that kind of good stuff?
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I'm Adam. Happy birthday.
Why don't you say who you are, what your name is, and where you live?
Tell me your name.
I'm Megan. I live in St. Louis.
Okay.
Hi, great grandma. This is Justin. This is Megan. Happy birthday, Grandma. We live in St. Louis and we came just for your birthday, Grandma.
You did good. Say happy birthday. Look at the camera and say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Audrey just turned 3 and she came from Kendallville.
Just like me.
Happy birthday from Scott and Nikki. We live in Kendallville.
Adam.
Oh, happy birthday, Grandma. I'm Adam. We live in Kendallville. Yeah, we went.
We forgot Kent. There's Kent.
Happy birthday, Grandma from Kent.
Happy birthday, Grandma. It's Boston.
Got everybody?
Yep.
Washington.
Okay.
I'm Randy Culbertson. This is my wife, Donna Michelle. I'm Don's boy. Happy birthday, Grandma. Go ahead. Go right ahead.
We love you, Grandma.
Happy birthday.
Not real hard, you'll pull your hand around. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
Yeah.
I'm getting you.
If he got all of you. My goodness, Margie, I haven't seen
Oh, yes, I said the wrong name. I knew it, I just had to learn less. I'm not sure. I tried to say Lester's wife, I knew Irma didn't go with her. It's this yeah, the 2 boys and 2 girls.
I'm Barry, this is my wife Rhonda, and our little girl Megan. We really want to wish you a happy birthday today, Grandma. We talked to you a little bit earlier and it was really neat. I'm still at North American and Rhonda's working as a nurse at Blueprint. We saw Dad a couple weeks ago and he's doing pretty good. Can you think of anything, Rhonda?
We're just really glad we could be here today, Grandma. We love you very much.
Okay.
I've made a wonderful mother, a mother who never grows old.
He made her smile of the sunshine, and he molded her heart of pure gold. In her eyes he placed bright shining stars, in her cheeks fair roses you see. God made a wonderful mother, and he gave that dear mother to me. This was by Pat O'Reilly. It's wonderful to be a part of the celebration of your 90th birthday, Mom. And I'm sure that many times in your life you didn't think you would reach this milestone, but I think you're happy that you have, and as you look back on all your fond memories and your heartaches and those times in your life when burdens got too heavy, that the inspiration that you gave to your kids helped pull you through. And I'm sure that we reflect, or at least I hope we reflect a portion of this back to you. I love you very much, Mom, and I think it's wonderful that, again, I think it's wonderful that you were able to celebrate 90 years young.
Birthday, Mom. I'm also happy to celebrate your 90th birthday with you. And I wished I could have been around closer to you. But I want you to know I love you very much. And I want to thank you for raising a wonderful, sensitive man that became my husband. I love you.
This has been Donna and Ralph Culbertson. Ralph, as I'm known in Ohio, Junior, as I am known in Indiana, but it's still the same person. Since I appreciate poems as much as I do and always have them in part of my part of the worship service each Sunday, I'd like to close with this poem, Like Mother, Like Son, by Margaret Johnson Graflin. Do you know that your soul is of my soul such a part, that you seem to be fiber and core of my heart? None other can pain me as you, dear, can do. None other can please me or praise me as you. Remember, the world will be quick with its blame if shadow or stain ever darken your name. Like mother, like son is a saying so true. The world will judge largely the mother by you. Be yours then the task, if task it shall be, to force the proud world to do homage to me. Be sure it will say when its verdict you've won, she reaped as she sowed, lo, this is her son. It's always a privilege, it's a pleasure, and it's something that I cherish with every bit of my heart. Whenever I have opportunity to mention you, Mom, in service or to other people, and I'm very, very proud of you, and not once have I ever been ashamed to be your son, and this is very important to me. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Greetings, Grandma, from the beautiful far reaches of the Pacific Northwest. We are now at Stanwood, Washington, Stanwood High School, District 401, and Brenda's class
301.
301.
Hello, Grandma.
Hi, we're going to say happy birthday in unison.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, dear Grandma.
Happy birthday to you. Happy 90th.
Oh, that's great. Did you get our birthday card? Did the flowers come off? I hope not.
Yeah, when I glue them on, I don't know if they come off. I hope also Aunt Lois and Uncle Jim will be able to get you another rose bush so you'll be able to enjoy it for your birthday.
What day is your birthday?
26.
26, isn't that true?
I always get hers confused. I always get yours confused with Sharon's.
I got my best clothes on for this occasion, and I just got this at Penny's here last fall, and my hat is from Hawaii. That's where I met you, wasn't it?
That's right. Actually, he was just out at the house working
on our new
house,
digging the ground for a new deck, 2 decks.
and so sorry he didn't get dressed up.
Hooray! I made
I can't
it.
see your face when you do that.
What? They can't see my face? Oh, that's good. They can see
Anyway, we're in my classroom. This is what the background looks like. This is my past volleyball team. But we are sorry we couldn't be with you, but we want to tell you we wish you the best birthday. Wish we could be there to help blow out. I'd like to see 90 candles. I would like to see that.
See what?
90 candles.
Oh, 90 candles.
Yeah.
Be a large cake.
Yeah.
I think that your family ought to contribute so many bucks in a hat to buy you a plane trip from there to here and back again.
There you go. There you go.
You know, that cheap family of yours back there, they should be able to get you out here before. You haven't been out here since 18 or something.
You're out here to visit Aunt Carrie, I remember. Yeah.
You'll like it out here. You just as roll. Yeah, we will look after you when you get here and pick you up. It's no more work to be here than it is back in Indiana. So pass the hat, everybody, and get your grandma out here for something new in her life.
One of the things that's going to be in the prime spot of our new home is the Afghan that you made for us.
I use that all during the winter.
We curl up with that along the fire, and we just want to let you know that's always going to be
that
special.
brown and cream and orange one, right?
Yeah. It's a special thing for us. And then I thought I'd just look back through some things I remember. One of the first things I remember of being with you, Grandma, was when we were on the farm, and Grandpa had just slaughtered some chickens. He cut their heads off, and the chickens...
You remember your grandma because of slaughtered chickens?
No, and the chickens were flopping all over the place. I remember I just stood there with my mouth open because they didn't have their heads on and they were moving. And then Grandpa put them in boiling hot water and plucked out the feathers, and then he brought those naked chickens into your kitchen, and then you started cutting them up.
Where are the heads?
I don't know. And so I remember you cut into one, and you said, Brenda, come here and look. And you had me look at this, and inside this chicken were these eggs. There was a large one, and they kept getting smaller and smaller, and you said, now this egg would come out in a day or two.
Did you really say that too, Grandma?
And you showed me that those eggs eventually would be getting bigger and come out that chicken. And so that's one of the very first things I remember because I was fascinated with that chicken.
One of the story is count your eggs before your chicken killed. Dead?
Well, I counted them afterwards.
You did? Wow.
That's one of the first things I remember.
If you'd have counted ahead of time when they killed the chicken, you had all those eggs you would have had.
And the second thing I remember is there were skunks in the old garage. Maybe it was a barn, I don't remember. I remember you and Grandpa laughing over the smell of those skunks. I don't remember what happened to that. And then I remember when you moved into town and you were working as a nurse's aide at the hospital or at the clinic there, and then you helped me get the job of cleaning lady. We had some fun working there. And during high school, it was really great because I would stay after school and do things, and then I'd walk down to your house and eat dinner. You fixed me a wonderful dinner. And then I'd sometimes walk down to my piano lessons with Kenny, and then later on go to church, and Mom and Dad would pick me up. And that was always fun. I always looked forward to stopping over and seeing you because you always fed me so well. And it was fun just being with you. We had a lot of fun. And then when I started teaching, I'd pick up Grandma after school, and we'd go out to the chicken place. What's the chicken place
pigeon.
called? No, the chicken place. You know? Colonel Sanders, Kentucky Fried Chicken. We'd sit there and we'd have some good
You
times.
and your grandma have a lot, one thing, one dimension.
We
Your
like
chicken,
to eat.
dead chickens, and then finally you eat the ones at a place, huh?
And you gave me the best recipe for yeast breads. Your Swedish
We are
chickens.
eating that right now, as a matter of fact. She's been making loaves of sourdough
Yeah.
from Bahrain recipe, Yukon, San Francisco, France. I bought her
Yes,
a
that's
Christmas
it.
present. It had packets of all of these. And she's in the process, and we've had, how many loaves now?
I don't know, but more than
Maybe
we should have.
8 or 10.
Yeah.
Come on out, we'll give you...
Your recipe is still the best, and every Christmas I make those tea rings and give them away as gifts, and everybody loves
Oh,
them.
Austrian. Austrian is one of the oldest sourdough recipe in the world, something like 2,000 years old.
So every time I...
We have the recipe,
Yeah.
and it is really great sourdough. Come on out and we'll give you
And
some.
every time I need it, I remember of you showing me how to do bread, because you were the person that got me interested in it, and then now we're really enjoying it. We love it.
We'll have homemade sourdough from 5 countries. We'll have some lox on it. You know what lox are? L-O-X? Salmon. Thinly sliced salmon. Spread on it. Oh, you'll love it, Grandma. You got to come back here to get it.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
The mountain countries and the beautiful ocean and the streams. You'll love it here. You won't go back to Indiana.
Well, we wish you could come out and visit us and stay in our new home. But we know that maybe you're not going to be healthy to do that.
Speaking of new home, we go in about how many days? This is now March.
Well,
1990.
Maybe
And
in
we'll
2
be
weeks?
about April 10 or 12.
I figure about April 15th we'll be moving
Do
in,
you?
hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah. But we have our vinyl down, our cabinets are supposed to come next week.
Electrician puts the lights in next week. The landscape guy, the bulldozer guy, final bulldozing is on Monday. Gary Lund comes and he's our cabinet man, and the bathrooms and the kitchen he'll be in on Tuesday and Wednesday. The plumber puts a final plumb, all of the beautiful almond colored sinks and things like that, and
the faucets.
He's now in Maui, Hawaii, but he'll be here on Tuesday. He comes in on Wednesday and Thursday. And then the electrician, Buddy Wickstrom.
I'll put the lights in, which we're getting the lights tomorrow. They're being.
No, I just found out we're getting them Monday at 11 o'clock.
We're getting them Monday,
11 o'clock,
and they'll be installed
which is the
next
26th
week.
of March. So. And then.
Your birthday.
And then Warren Chambers is going to finish up on the
brickwork. We have
Brickwork
to
and
have some
fireplace.
brickwork done. So we're getting near the end, and the carpet hopefully will be.
We're going to cancel that for March 30th and go for about April 5.
1st of April, and I'm having a week of spring break off.
And your bedroom, Grandma, will be ready about the 12th. Randy and Donna, you can also sleep
They're
there.
coming out this summer, so we're getting real excited about having them in our new home too. But you're always welcome.
By the way, my birthday is May 6th, if anybody's interested. You all have my address, don't you? The new address will be, take this down.
Yes, this is our new address.
738 North Eric.
E-R-I-K.
Camino Island, Washington,
Eric
98292.
Eric Way.
Eric
Eric Way.
738 North Eric Way. So, Christmas cards to Bob, birthday cards to Bob, all right, May 6th? I'll be over 21 and under 100.
Okay. So we're getting near the film that Annie said we should do, but I do want to leave you with one thing.
Hello, Annie.
Yeah. One of the most important things to
And
me.
Maxine and Don.
Okay.
Everybody.
Well, yes, hello, everybody who's watching this.
Everybody's watching it.
But one of the most important things I want to say to you, Grandma, is that you have been the most perfect grandmother. You have been a most wonderful Christian model, and I thank you so much for giving me giving me a lifetime of happiness with you and the opportunity to know Jesus as my personal Savior. And I thank you so much for that. I love you so much. I love you.
So long, we love you, Grandma.
Have a happy birthday.
You want to use this for
Wish we were there to see you. I'm going to give you
send me a piece of cake. I want a piece of that cake, and I mean it.
Here's our hug for you.
Otherwise, I won't send
We love you.
I won't send you another card.
That's our kiss for you. Let's together. 1, 2, 3. Like they do on TV. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Bye. Remember the cake. May 6th.
Here they come through the doorway. There's Amy.
Hello.
Being the Pam that she is. No, we don't need that, Pam. We've got a film in here, and I am videoing.
Oh, you're
indeed.
kidding right now?
No.
Hi, Grandma. We're the Kecklers, and we're here to wish you a very happy birthday. And we're just going to tell you a little bit about each of us right now. I'm still 12, and
Hi, Grandma. We're glad to say hello to you and happy birthday. Happy 90th birthday. We're here at the Parish Resource Center where I work during the week when I'm not going to school. And Amy and Kevin would like to talk first and tell you a little bit about what they're doing at school and at church or whatever else. Amy?
Hi, I'm going to Centerville Junior High School. I'm in 7th grade, and I played on the basketball team this year as a guard and a forward. And I play piano now for going on my 7th year. We have a recital coming up in April, and I will be participating in Walk America in April of this year. I made a superior honor or distinguished honor roll in school, and I got one of the student of the quarter awards for my grades and being my attitude and things like that. I'm in a bowling league every Saturday, and that's about it. Kevin?
Hi, Grandma. Happy birthday. I'm 14 now, I'll be 15 in April, about a month away. I'm in 9th grade at Enfield High School. Made the honor roll last marking period. I'll be playing on the junior varsity football team this summer. We'll start practice in August, beginning of August. That phone call back there you just heard was from the resource center. We start in August and we practice for the first 3 weeks every day from 7 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon. And that's all the sports that is involved. I play softball for our church team. And this is my 2nd year playing softball. I like girls. One in particular, but I don't know about that. And I bowl as well in the same lane that Amy does. That's it. Happy birthday.
And I'm still going to school at seminary. I have 1 more year to go. And I'm in the church, same church at Carlisle. I'm working there, playing the piano, helping out in Christian education and in the office, and working with different people, including the youth group. And then I work here at the Parish Resource Center a couple of times a week where we help individuals come in from churches. We help them plan their program and do other things like that. And we are just glad. We're very glad that you are having this 90th birthday and that you're with family and friends. And we're sorry we couldn't come back to Indiana, but we're happy that you are well and being able to be with friends and family. Anything else you guys want to say?
Happy birthday!
Bye.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
I wanted to be able just to show you the street and our house from the outside. It's such a beautiful day where we live. Right there. I think we've got some people out on the front porch. You want to go see? Let's see from here. Oh, it looks like Larry and Lauren and Michael. They'd like to say and wish you a happy birthday, so if you just take a minute, we're going to go say hello to you. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
We're trying to do this professionally and we don't know what we're doing, at least I don't. So Grandma Hoover, sorry for the interruption there. There's Larry.
Hi, Grandma Hoover. Happy birthday to you.
And Michael.
Michael's being shy right now.
Michael. You can look up and say hi. You know, I think I've got a bug on it, on the screen. Well, we'll forget that for now. Let's see about Lauren. Does Lauren want to say hi, Grandma Hoover?
Michael sent you a car to play with. Michael's 2. See how big he's getting already? And Lauren's 4. Get up. See, Lauren's bigger than Daddy now.
Well, we're going to turn off for a little bit because I like to get in the picture and say hello to you too.
Happy birthday, Grandma Hoover.
Grandma. Well, Daddy got behind the lens. He's going to take pictures.
Hi, Grandma Hoover. I'm here. I just wanted to say hello too. And happy birthday to you.
And Michael's still being shy.
No happy birthday? Okay. Well, we wish you well and have a wonderful, wonderful summer. Hope to see you this summer. We're going to try to get to visit you. We're sorry we didn't make your party. We weren't feeling real well then. So
But
happy birthday.
But we're okay now, Grandma. We hope you're okay too. And this is the Larry Duffield and Pat Duffield and Michael Duffield and Lauren Duffield saying goodbye from sunny, springy Michigan. Bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma Hoover. Happy birthday
birthday, Grandma. We sure wish we could be there with you. We know you're going to have a fun day, and we look back on the years that we've known and all you've meant to our family and what you meant to my dear, dear Grandpa. And I know he's smiling down on you and wishing you happy birthday today, too. Michael is 5.5. Will be 6 in June. 6 in August. And Laura, how are you, Laura? Oh, Laura's 3. And we're
How old are you, Mommy?
Mommy's 40. Turned 40. Had the big 4-0 this year.
And Daddy's 5.5.
5.5. Daddy's 42. We're going to get Daddy on in a minute. And we're in Raleigh. We're in our backyard.
42. Daddy's 42.
So have a... Oh, Michael.
Just a glance at the backyard.
We're having a picnic out on the deck. I have a real happy day, Grandma. Let's all throw Grandma a kiss. Okay, Michael.
Here we are again. We just thought we'd let you see the better half of the family. And I just wanted to let you know I sure wish we had some strawberry shortcake here with our lunch today. But we don't. What are you laughing about? But we'll see you when we can, when we get up to Indiana. You have a nice 90th birthday. Go.
Grandma, the rest of the video you're going to see, these are some pictures that we've taken throughout the year that we thought might be meaningful to you. This summer we had the Essex reunion, and there's some footage on that. Karen said that she didn't have a video camera, so that's where you're going to see what she looks like. And Ty's, and then Mom and Dad's, when we went down to Florida for their 25th anniversary, we got some crazy pictures down there. So that's what the rest of the video is. Happy birthday.
1990. 50 years ago at 2 p.m.
Wait a minute, hold your mouth still, Bob.
Wait. Now Daddy's talking.
In holy matrimony. And we are celebrating with our 3 beautiful children, making a family of love for all of us.
Okay.
Stay there just a minute. Zooming in.
Did you want kissing? Yeah. Oh.
I'm sorry, you're going to have to do that again. Okay.
Okay, Tam.
Mary? Mary?
Have they done it yet?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I got one extra face in there. Let's take one more. These 2 guys.
Yeah, you got guys.
Smile, Karen.
Smile, Karen. Smile, mother.
I told you, too many people answered to that.
Be gentle.
Daniel?
Gentle, Dan.
There we go. Nice smile. Ty, everybody. Yay!
Okay.
I love it.
You did 50 years ago.
Yes, and so did Alan, and so did Brad.
They all missed. He missed his first swim. She took all of that. And T-ball and
I knew. Dad's been eyeing that rosebud. He wants that rosebud. Feed each other.
Nice.
Oh, they don't do that anymore. Oh. That's nice. Okay, Dad.
Indiana, what for you?
Go Knowles!
That's it.
This is Barbara. Of course, we all call her Barb. This is a picture of Barb's daughter and husband, Daniel and Danielle. This is a picture of Mother's great-great-granddaughter. This is Dansella, who is Daniel and Danielle's little daughter. Here we have Barb's grandchildren, Alicia and Coy. They are Trina's children. This is Barb's daughter, Trina and Alicia. Here's a picture of Kevin and Carla.
This is the whole bunch. Eric, Trina, Danielle, Barb, Kevin, and Laura Lee.